there's going to be massive mandates to develop. So for those looking at the market as developers, there's a lot of opportunity in terms of just developing and commercializing.
Welcome back to the Global Games Show right here in Riyadh. Could you please introduce yourself and your company?
Hi, thank you. Nice to meet you. My name is Majed AlAli. I am the founder and CEO of M.A Sports. At M.A Sports, we basically do everything around investment advisory, commercialization, business sponsorship. We work on events, IP, creation of IP, development of IPs, everything along the media rights value chain. We are looking into sports tech in a big way. We also work a lot on infrastructure, the commercial infrastructure for the revitalization of to-be-built stadiums and facilities.
Amazing. And I had the opportunity to watch your panel discussion, but for our viewers back home, could you tell us a little bit about what you discussed?
So basically, I think the biggest theme is around the commercialization of IPs, and it was about really focusing on what works and what doesn't work in terms of attracting IPs to our country, and what the next stage is in this journey that we have with IPs, with infrastructure, with fan engagement, with creating content around the sports industry. So, a lot of the discussion focused on the fact that we are at a stage where, many people are viewing Saudi Arabia as a bit of a growth, in the very early stages of an upward trajectory. So it's exciting in the sense that, we're in a stage where we're still building so many elements and parts of our ecosystem. And that makes it super exciting because, like I said in the talk, it's like we almost have a blank canvas in front of us, right? Where we get to see what's being built, and we get to look outward at what other people are doing. And we have what many people, I said at the talk, and it's like a late mover advantage, right? So we'll get to see what other people are doing and what they're working on. We get to learn from it, what works well, what doesn't, and we can build smartly around that. So it's exciting. It's very exciting.
Definitely. And how important, as you say, Saudi is still in its preliminary stages. How important is it that we have events like this, not only bringing in the gaming industry, but also blockchain and AI? How important is that to progress within the industry and to make new connections, to bring in international investors?
No, first of all, this is a fantastic event. I think it's very important. I think when you have an event like this that, focuses on a specific industry, or maybe in this case, multiple industries, whether it's innovation, tech, gaming, and you have the ability to really put a communication platform right there and bring together all the elements and stakeholders within the industry under one roof for a couple of days is a very compelling opportunity. So I think it's great. And I think, I'd like to see, I'd be interested to see what the results are in terms of economic impact studies. But I think in general, it's great.
Definitely. And what can we expect now between now and 2034?
Oh, wow. Now in 2034, people talk about 2034 like it's long ways from now. It's not that far away.
Not long.
It's 8 years away, and, things will happen very quickly. Next thing you know, it's going to be next week. So I think we can expect a lot of development in infrastructure. I think there's going to be massive mandates to develop. So for those looking at the market as developers, there's a lot of opportunity in terms of just developing and commercializing and optimizing the infrastructure that is already built and that is to be built. So I think it's going to be super interesting to see what's being done off tournament and for the tournament. So I am certainly looking at it from all perspectives of keeping my eyes and ears open, figuring out where the gaps are and where we can really add value and contribute in the best way possible.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your insights. We've loved having you. Thank you for a great panel discussion as well. And we look forward to seeing you again next year.
Hopefully. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Take care.